Hello and welcome to the Hans Moore YouTube channel. This is the luxurious Italian Marvis Toothpaste. There are 7 flavors in this collection gift set. These are the travel size 25 milliliters 1.3 ounce each. So this is the travel kit it comes in, and it gives you all the flavors, and I'm going to show you those flavors, and I'm going to show you the back, and it will talk about the flavors here. Marvis Toothpaste is a luxurious and very trendy Italian designer toothpaste for those who like designer and luxurious toothpaste. So this is the travel kit, and it has Marvis written across the front, and it looks pretty fancy. Comes with a little tag here where you can put your finger in there and hang it up, I guess, if you wanted to. The ribbon comes down through here, and it's the flavor collection. So let me turn it over on the back, and let me talk about some of these flavors. So some of the flavors here, it says there is the Whitening Mint, the Amarelli Licorice, the Jasmine Mint, the Ginger Mint, the Classic Strong Mint, the Cinnamon Mint, and the Aquatic Mint. So those are the 7 flavors. So let's open this up. So this is a plastic container. Opens up just like that. Folds open. And let me pull out one of these. So here we have the Whitening Mint. Again, these are small, 1.3 ounces or 25 milliliters. Here's the top. Look, you can see where it says Marvis, has an M, fancy top, and it comes sealed. So this is the Marvis Mint, and let's go in here and look at the next one. Is the Amarelli Licorice. Okay, and next is the Jasmine Mint. So one flavor for every day of the week, which would be fun to do. And then you have the Ginger Mint. I think that would probably be really fun to taste. And again, you got your Marvis fancy M on the front. And then the Classic Strong Mint. Cinnamon Mint. And the last is the Aquatic Mint. And I think I would really be interested in trying the Amarelli Licorice. I think I've never tasted a toothpaste that would taste like that. And then you can seal on the back You just take your little tabs and you seal it back like that. And there you have the Marvis Luxurious Italian Toothpaste. I do hope this video was interesting and fun. And if you're looking for a trendy, fashionable, luxurious toothpaste, try the Italian Marvis Toothpaste. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and click like if you like this video. Thank you for watching.